Hello and welcome to RC Birds. Last time I showed you the grass and forest areas where I usually drive my cars. This video is about the crawler area. I just have to step out of the forest and then turn left, follow the tarmac and then turn right. This was former a sound barrier, now it is a park. Footpaths made of gravel are going all across. This area has a length of around 1.5 kilometers, and because of this you can imagine that this is only one entrance to the park. Across its length there are many more. Right now I'm climbing up to the top of the barrier. You see, beside the paths, there are many possibilities for crawling. And here you can see the reason for the sound barrier. This is the intersection of the highway number 1 and the Federal Street 54. But now I'm turning right to complete the circle of my little tour. Here we are just above my grass track. But the trees are obscuring the view, so I try to find a spot where the trees are thinning to give you a better view. I'm sorry that this doesn't turn out as I planned it, but you can barely see that there's a volleyball field down there and the grass track. Maybe I should come back in winter where the trees have no leaves. So this is my little tour around the area where I'm crawling. I know it's not the complete track, but you can see that here are many possibilities giving you hours of crawling fun without getting bored. So, what do you think about this place? Write it down in the comments. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will really help me out. Thanks you for watching and see you soon on I See Birds.